Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our one owner 1973 Triumph Tr6 convertible with factory hardtop. Very nice, well-preserved California car. We just purchased it from the original owner's daughter, so single family ownership from new. It's finished in white with a black interior, 4-speed, disc wheels, factory matching white hardtop. It has the original black soft top still on the soft top frame, black tonneau top boot, still wearing its original license plate, sold new at Kramer Motors in Santa Monica. So pretty rare history here, being a single family owned TR6. The 73-year model is still a lovely car, where it still has these original simple chrome bumpers fitted, and it didn't get the overrider blocks put on yet. So really well preserved, lovely thing that we purchased locally. And it's wearing a nice older repaint in white, which is the car's original color. You know, pretty good paint overall. I mean, white's very forgiving, but you know, up close you can see a little bit of age cracks and you know, touched up chips, but beautifully fitting doors. For instance, you can see here, you know, there's a little bit of age cracking, you know, on some of the repainted fenders there. But great gaps. I've driven this car, and it is mechanically really strong. 108 to original miles, so just a tick over 100,000 miles, but a super good one owner, well preserved 73 TR6 with its desirable factory hardtop. So let's take a look at this car in detail. I believe it's still wearing the original triplex windshield. Rubber, you can see, is the original. It's starting to age out a bit. Interior wise, these seats look just too good to be the original. I'm sure they've been redone at one point, but it looks like it may have original carpets. Really nice original dashboard. It's got that original honey blonde wood fascia. Excellent hardtop headliner. A little bit of staining I noticed kind of around that back ledge. That could be kind of dyed back cream, but really good condition hardtop with nice rubber, nice glass. The finish on it's really lovely, matches the car. It was painted just one single time when the car was repainted. Original door panels you can see here in really good condition. This car has been just maintained and restored as necessary. In the trunk, if you look at the still photos, there's just a plethora of all the original components. So this is the soft top frame. It's been removed because the hardtop's fitted in place right now. But this is the original soft top fitted. You can see there the original reflectorized stripe. But it's great that this car is just chock full of like the original jack, the handle, all stuff that will clean up and paint up nicely, and you can have all the little pouches and wheel removal tools and jack and handle, and there's that rare Triumph little pouch bag for the tools. Excellent top boot, tonneau cover. And of course, completely rust-free, being a Southern California car. But yeah, 108,000. We'll take a look at the car's engine compartment shortly. Lovely panel fit, really super honest California car. What's nice is they've also installed the emergency bonnet pull over here, which is great. So nicely detailed original engine compartment, aluminum radiator fitted, restored ignition, new battery. Just a really great car. Over here sitting on the Jaguar is a fantastic thick file, of all the original pamphlets, original title, small title I believe, but just a beautiful set of all this original maintenance that goes back to the 70s. But yeah, you're gonna get that whole thick file there from the original owner's archive of owning this car. And all of that goes with the car. So yeah, rare to the market right now is this 1973 Triumph Tr6 convertible, finished in new white, black interior, black top, tonneau top boot, nice crisp colors, factory hardtop, one California owned family from new, 108,000 miles, mechanically great. We're gonna be posting a driving video as soon as we get a chance here. We've been a bit delayed because of this weather, but yeah, beautifully running, driving, well maintained, 108,000 mile, one owner, California car, 1973 Tr6 convertible.